Hi my favorite fan, I'm Judy and I wish that you are fine today. Okay, today I will show you some tutorials about bandicam, how to active sound. Okay, let's go to the if we have here effects of the cursor, and here we have the microphone. You can add microphone like okay, go to this box and choose microphone Realtek high definition or hot barrel, but you should choose this. Okay, then we have here the second sound. Okay, you should make it disactive and don't use it. Okay, you can do other parameters like it, but we don't need. Okay, just choose this and you should make this as disactive second sound. And okay, now our sound is activated, and we can do any video with our sound. We can do any tutorials with our sound. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Goodbye.